See, look, I'm the one plant. See, put in the palangara.
No, we're not going to take out that one. No, I did not. It's still, you look at that. It's still, we just cut this one. We did not. They're still breathing. Tanalian mo man sa plant mo. We did not. Balak na sanang tanggalin eh. Kasi ang pangit na oh. Ang gulo-gulo na. Kaso, may mga maliliit pa na bunga. Hindi ko sure kung mabubuo ba yan. Ayan pa oh. Yan ang dami oh. Pero maliliit pa eh. Pero kasi ang pangit na. Oh, kinain na itong ano. Ay, itong atis. Aray ko, aray ko, aray ko. See oh. Kinain na yung ano, mga halaman yung sili. Ang damo na. Oh, ang pangit na. Magulo. Ayan sa taas oh. Nakarating na sa taas. Si Mita going to harvest because she's the one to plant this. Okay. Come. Mita, come here to plant it in. There. Mag-harvest si Mita ng ay kabuntol. Toshine, you want to?
Toshine, come here first.
Sorry. Wow! It's very big. You have to.
No, it's too itchy.
You have to hold it. Oh, so you cannot get this. If complaining itchy, but she wants to cut it. But just Mita, you're the one to hold your. Look, here. I teach you how. Here. Yes. Kabuntol. Cannot. I'll do it. You? Give me this one. I'll do it for you. Okay, you carry, okay? Very hard to cut.
Could you bring very small
No,
knife yan?
No, I don't know.
no, let's cut.
Carry, you can carry, Mita. Dos Mita.
Better give them a machete.
Yes, no. No, you show them.
No, here.
You show them.
She Sushmita plant very big until there, no? No?
My plant.
How about you?
You plant also.
Situation is
Where's my plant? It's dead.
No, they are together did huh? But you look, it's still good no inside.
Yeah, get this. No, we're not going to take out that one. No, I did not. It's still, you look at that. It's still, we just cut this one. We did not. They're still breathing. Tanalian mo man sa plant mo. We did not. We just cut the vegetable. Look at this. Good job, Susmita. See, Susmita. Squash. Hey.
I can't see.
You're going to eat this, huh? Yes? Yes, that's your plant, right? So you. Good job, Mita. May ano na naman ako. May gagataan na naman ako. Yay! Ang laki oh. Matugas na. Tapos, tanim kasi yan ni Susmita eh. Yung sa akin, dapat dito yan eh. Wala na ano. Namatay oh. Yung kay Susmita, nabuhay. Kaso grabe na. Ang gulo-gulo oh. Ang gulo ng garden ko.
Okay.
Okay, I have a question to Shini.
What?
This is Susmita plant, right? This is Susmita vegetable. How about yours? Where's yours?
And how about yours?
Mine? A lot. How about your Susmita? Ay, ito Shini.
You say
Died.
good job. How about you?
Where's your to Shini?
Died.
Huh?
Died.
Why?
I can't. Because her lips also.
Why died? You know why? Kidney problem.
Shini, good job Susmita.
Because already matanda yan. Di ba?
Kay Bibi, tuwang-tuwa siya sa, ano niya, sa squash niya. Baby niya daw yan. Oh. Teasing the Tushini. Because namatay ang plant ni
You
Tushini.
happy with somebody happy? Help na. Help mo na yun.
Maybe because you don't take care good your plant.
She took the lips. She said, come on now. You want elastic? Last time we said it's gonna die. Now you're making it come true. Before that. That was after that.
Who did?
Sushmita.
Susmita. No, you don't give water, that's why.
After that.
Not drinking water.
What did you say?
Puti na palanggana.
Laka, naiyak na yung baby mo.
Call the children's clinic.
Kanalian. Susmita.
Baby, it's okay. Carry na, very minute. The body.
So ako na magkikiri ng baby. Oh, ako na magkiri ng baby niya. Say Susmita. I'm the Lola. Mag-selfie ako sa baby nito, Susmita.